Hello guys, welcome back to our series on commonly asked programming questions. So today we are going to see our next question, that is program to find check Armstrong number. So guys, let's start. So basically, firstly we have to understand what is Armstrong number. Okay, so Armstrong number is a number that is equal to the sum of cubes of each digit. Okay, so what Armstrong number is? It is if you are given a number and you have to check whether the cube of each digit in that number, the sum of all that cube of each digit in the number is equal to the number itself or not. So for example, let's understand with the help of example. Here we are given 153, right? So what digits we are having? 1, 5 and 3. Okay, so basically if we take cube of each digit, that is 1 cube of 1, cube of 5 and cube of 3, right? So each digit cube sum, right? Cube of 1, cube of 5 and cube of 3. The sum of all these three should be equal to the number itself, right? So here in 153 you can see that cube of 1 is 1, cube of 5 is 125 and cube of 3 is 27. The sum of all these cubes will be equal to 153, that is number itself. So that's why 153 is an Armstrong number. I hope you understand what is Armstrong number, right? The sum of cube of each digit should be equal to the number itself, that is Armstrong number. So now let's try to understand its algorithm, how we are going to solve this problem, right? So what we are doing, the usual way what we are doing, we are splitting the number into digits and we are calculating the cube of each digit and then summing, right? So the same approach we are using in our code also. So if you check the algorithm, so firstly we have taken the number, right, and initialize the sum as 0, right, and we have taken a number in another variable, say duplicate, right. Then we have to find the remainder, right, number percent 10, that will give you a remainder, right. So 153 percent 10 will give you 3, right. So basically this is we are looping over this to get a digit. Okay, so first 153 percent 10 will be give a 3, and then we are dividing that number. Okay, so the next time number will be 15, and when we divide it by 10 we will get the remainder as 5. So in this way we are getting the digit of a number, right. And then what we are doing the sum plus the cube, right. What we are doing, we are each digit cube we are calculating, right. So whatever be the remainder, that is the digit of that number, we are taking the cube, so it is multiplying 3 times, right, and then adding to the sum. Okay, initialize sum is 0, right. Then we are dividing the number, as I told, that 153 we get 3. After that we have to divide 15, right, so we get each digit. If you want to understand the concept of fetching digits from a number, you can see our previous video. I will share the link in the card, right, at the top you will find the link, right. Okay, so 153, right. So after that we have divided and iterated over the same these three steps, right. 4 to 6 we are reiterating the steps, right. So until the number is 0, right. So till we get the number as 0 we will reiterate, right. Okay, so if sum is equal to duplicate, at the end we are getting the this calculation in the variable sum, right. If sum is equal to duplicate, that means the number itself, we have taken the duplicate number in the another variable, that is duplicate. If they both are equal, then it is Armstrong number, else it is not an Armstrong number. Okay, so below you can find the code in various programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, C Sharp, PHP, right. So I'm going to explain you the C code, so it will be easy for you to understand, right. So I am copying this code in an online compiler and will try to explain you and will execute it. Okay, so as you can see, this is our code. We have taken number, initially defined a number as 153 statically. You can take input also, right, and we have taken few variables and result, right. So new number, as in the algorithm, as I have told, that we are storing the variable original number in a variable. So here we are doing the same, right. In a variable we are storing the original number, right, and then we are looping, right. So we are calculating the digit, right, we are fetching the digit, and then we are doing the summation and of the summation of all the digits, right, cube of all digits, right. So this is approach, and then we are again dividing to get the new digit, right. So this is our logic part, right. And after, at the end of this, as I have already explained this logic in the algorithm section, right. So this is our logic, right, and this is then we are checking the condition whether the our result variable, that is sum variable, right? All the sum is equal to the number or not. If it is num, then we are printing that as Armstrong number. So this is our code for the Armstrong number in C programming languages, right? So let's try to execute and let's check 153 is Armstrong number or not. Yes, the number 153 is an Armstrong number. Suppose we change it to 163, which is not Armstrong number. If you calculate the sum of cube of each digit, you will find that it is not Armstrong number. So let's check whether it is Armstrong number or not through our code. So yeah, it's giving correct answer that 163 is not an Armstrong number. So guys, I hope you understand the code. You can find the code in other languages also. I will share the link to this article in the description section, so it will be easy for you to understand. So guys, thanks, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.